Surat al-Ghashiyah, chapter of the enveloping. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, as there come to thee the story of the enveloping event, faces that they will be downcast, toiling, weary, roasting in a scorching fire, given to drink of a spring nearby, nearly boiling. They have no food except dry thorn, which fattens not, nor avails against hunger. Other faces that they will be pleasant, with their coarse content, in a garden lofty, wherein they hear no babbling, and in which is a spring running. Therein are couches upraised, and goblets set out, and cushions placed in rows, and carpets spread. Will they not look at the camels, how they have been created, at the heaven, how it has been uplifted, at the mountains, how they have been set up, at the earth, how it has been laid flat? So warn, thou indeed art a warner, but thou art not over them an overseer, except over him who turns away and disbelieves. Him Allah will punish with the greatest punishment. Verily, it is to us that they resort, and it rests upon us with them to reckon. Now, there's a Sufi practice that is encouraged by Muhammad, so it's not limited to the Sufis, where you take account. And you take account of your deeds that you did. What you could have done, what you could have not done, what you could do better. And remember that that chapter and the chapter before it are great ones to say on the holiday, great ones to say on, for the Friday, the shortened prayer, where instead of 4 rakat for the afternoon prayer, you say 2.